Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Early Braining. Today we learn CVC words short story. Pam and Sam sat on the mat. Pam and Sam sat on the mat. Pam has a cap. Pam has a cap. A bat flies over the mat. A bat flies over the mat. A cat sat on the mat. A cat sat on the mat. It is a fat cat. It is a fat cat. Sam pat the cat. Sam pat the cat. Ham is on the mat. Ham is on the mat. The fat cat sees the ham. The fat cat sees the ham. A rat ran to the mat for the ham. A rat ran to the mat for the ham. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.